show you up, wanna show you up, wanna brag about it, wanna tighten up, wanna show you up, wanna show you up, wanna show you up.
That thing is so convenient to get everywhere.
I had the old style one where it's like a big tripod and I would bring that everywhere, and then I just got this one on Amazon because my friend had one. I'm like, I need that.
Yeah.
For traveling,
Yes.
it's perfect.
Everywhere. Fits in a purse, fits in a bag.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Perfect.
Like, how did I not know that even existed? Well, so
I'm trying to get better on like posting more like to YouTube. Because I do YouTube too.
okay.
And I'm trying to get more consistent now. I've been doing it for like 8 years and my channel has almost 300,000 views now.
I used to do YouTube a long time ago.
But I want to get more consistent.
I know. I'm like, Lex
Hard.
is like, you need to get on YouTube. And
You
I'm
do.
Like,
You're perfect for
I
it.
should.
You model just like
Yeah.
simple things that we don't think is like entertaining because it's our everyday life. Like other
Right.
people are like, please record it. We want to know what you do. And I'm like, I do this every day. It's not
Yeah.
exciting to me. But for them, it's like, we work a 9 to 5.
Right.
We're bored. We want to see what you do on a Sunday. You know what I
Exactly.
mean? But we
That's
don't think
why
of it like
when
that.
I'm at my studio back in Miami, like I'll film myself setting up for my client, doing a consultation, because people like to see that
They
and like to
do.
see like my life kind of. So I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm better at that, like on the reels and stuff. So I need to get on YouTube.
Yeah.
What you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way? Would you give up or try again? If I hesitate to let you in, now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys or keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away or play me off? Or would you stay up? If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again and try again. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. What you need, 𝒌𝒃 come here, plant your seed. She can grow right from her womb, new family. Provide love and novel, don't appreciate it. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman.
I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite, cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest. Is fucking honest, kid, and I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the.
Go. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head. Like Jesus said, I wanna dance, dance, dance with my head, above my head. Like Jesus said, I'll say thank you. Oh, look, another Mario. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Say thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. Next one. Today is day 3 of my microblading training. I do my model today and I get my certificate today. So I will be taking you guys with me throughout my day. Stay tuned.
Guys, I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like 𝒏𝑜𝓊𝓇𝓉. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we Regina or Mean Girl. Princess or queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Let me be a woman.
Ask you a million times, cause the numb wear off sometimes, and then some people will be acting like it's the end of it.
It ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Yeah. Oh, be with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right. Making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage.
The picture is so pretty, so popular.
Yeah, worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, what you're doing is just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take